Hey, Space Cadets! Today we hunt the galaxy's deadliest alien insect, the neon-back stinger.
Vispandrus neuroxenus.
Okay, so you are NOT going to believe where we are. This is Sting World, and it is absolutely wild.
Cody, a proper introduction might be beneficial for the new viewers.
Oh, right. Good call, Z. Can't forget the formalities.
For the new cadets, I'm Cody. This is our brilliant xenobiologist, Zyla,
Hey, I'm Zyla.
and our safety officer.
J-Clone Iteration 5.
Okay, every single step we take, we're basically ringing a dinner bell. You guys have any idea what we're about to walk into?
We're deep in Sting World territory now.
Reports say these neon-backs are attracted to movement.
Cody, don't move. Look!
Oh my god, there it is. That's it.
All right, here's the plan. You for science, someone's got to get a little stingy.
I'm doing it. Get the med kit ready.
Your life insurance is paid up, correct?
He'll be fine. Probably. Here we go.
Don't move. Stinger primed with paralytic agent.
Just getting acquainted for the Space Cadets.
Toxicity 78%. Prep antivenom.
Worth it.
Space Cadets.
Containment protocol successful.
Swarm signature spiking. Move.
Next target. X742's tunneling tarantula.
Space Cadets, smash subscribe for round 2.